welcome to E Practical Series of LJIP. Welcome to Biochemistry Lab. Today's aim of practical is estimation of total serum protein by biuret method. Now, what is total serum protein? Albumin and globulin are the two types of protein in your body. The total protein test measures the total amount albumin and globulin in your body. So ultimately, total protein means total amount of albumin and globulin. And to this test, it will also tells you about ratio of albumin to globulin. Now, where this test is used, this is a part of a routine health checkup, and it can be used, this value can be used when we have unexpected weight loss, fatigue, edema, which is called swelling, and that is due to extra fluid retention in that particular tissue, and the symptoms of kidney or liver diseases. Principle of this biuret method. This biuret method is the most commonly used method in most of the laboratory as well as by the student. We have another test for the measurement of total protein in serum sample, that is refractive index method. But that method requires skill, and that's why for the student purpose we are using this biuret test for the measurement of total protein. The peptide bond present in a protein that reacts with the copper sulfate in an alkaline medium. So particularly cupric ion in an alkaline medium binds to the peptide bonds of protein and they form colored complex, particularly purple or violet color complex. And this intensity of the color that can be measured photometrically, and that can be used to determine protein concentration present in that serum sample. Procedure for the biuret test. Now practically how we can form this purple violet color. So for that we need 3 test tube. Thoroughly clean that test tube and label them blank, standard and test. Now to the blank test tube add 3 ml of water solution, while in a standard and test add 2.9 ml of water solution. In a standard test tube add 0.1 ml of working standard of protein, while in a test add 0.1 ml of serum solution. Now in each test tube add 5 ml of biuret reagent and maintain all this test tube at 37 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then after measure the absorbance of test and standard at 520 nanometer. First take 3 test tube, wash it thoroughly with water, dry it and label them as test, standard and blank. To all the test tube add all the ingredient which is given in a procedure. After addition of all the ingredients, this is how all the 3 test tube looks: blank, standard and test. Then after put all the 3 test tube on a water bath and maintain the temperature 37 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, measure the absorbance at 520 nanometer using colorimeter. Here you can see a color of a solution change. Right? Initially, biuret reagent have blue color, which after reaction with protein sample gives you purple violet color. So by measuring the intensity of purple violet color, we can measure the concentration of protein sample in a known solution. Now we will see demonstration of photometer.
Now we are starting the second session of colorimeter, that is operation of colorimeter. Myself Navda Soni, Assistant Professor, Department of Quality Assurance at LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will see about the how the colorimeter is operated. This is a double beam spectrophotometer made by Viziskin. This colorimeter is operated in the range of 400 to 800 nanometer, that is visible. First, we will initialize the instrument. For initialization of instrument, switch on the instrument. It is the initialization part. While initialization, there is a 3 mode. One single wavelength, second scanning range, and third multiple wavelength. Today we will use single wavelength mode for analyzing the sample. For that we have to press 1. So here we have to put the wavelength. Now we have to insert the particular wavelength of the sample. Here we are analyzing the potassium dichromate solution. So I am putting the wavelength 5110 for the analysis of this potassium dichromate solution. So I am inserting here 5110 and press enter. After inserting the wavelength, the display shows us 3 modes. One absorbance mode, second percentage transmittance mode, and third one concentration. Today we will use absorbance mode. For that we have to press 1. First of all we have to nullify the blank solution. For that first we have to fill the blank solution into the sample holder. So I am filling the blank solution in the glass cover. And placing inside the sample holder. Press enter. Instrument is reading this reference solution. Now replace this blank solution with the test solution. And determine the absorbance of this test solution. The absorbance is 0.3. So, by using this colorimeter, we can analyze many of the colored samples. By using the equation AU upon AS is equals to CU upon CS, we can find out the concentration of any unknown sample. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel PharmaIgnite. Thank you once again.